Hey there! So, press releases are one of the most powerful ways to share news about your brand, product, or service. But sending them to just any platform won't get the results you're looking for. So, in today's video, we'll explore how to choose the right press release site and highlight some of the top platforms you might consider for your next announcement. Now, here's just a few criteria about choosing a press release site, and the first one is audience reach. Now, make sure the platform distributes your release to the people who matter. So, these are journalists, bloggers, or industry insiders. A wider reach doesn't always mean better results if it's not the right audience. So, for example, a fashion brand might choose a lifestyle focused site rather than a business release platform to reach the right editors. And then next up, we have niche relevance. So some platforms specialize in specific industries like tech, health, or finance. So using a niche focused platform increases the chance your release will be noticed by journalists who cover your field. Another example is, let's say, a healthcare startup could use a medical news distribution service to target healthcare editors and bloggers. And then we have a cost versus a value. Now, press release platforms vary widely in price from a few dollars to hundreds per release. So think about what you'll get for the price and whether it aligns with your goals. So another example is a small local business might select a affordable regional service instead of a global distributor to stretch their budget efficiently. And then after that, we've got analytics and reporting. Now, choose a platform that provides insights on who viewed your release and which outlets engaged. So, this helps you measure success and plan future campaigns. So, another example is a tech company might track how many tech bloggers or online media sites picked up a release to adjust future messaging. And then last up would be the SEO potential. Now, some sites allow backlinks in your release that Google indexes, which can boost your search visibility. So make sure the platform approach aligns with your SEO goals. Last example here would be a startup launching a new productivity tool might include links in a release that points directly to the landing page, driving both traffic and authority. Now, these are just a few of the criteria that can help you choose the best site for you. And if you're wondering, okay, so what platforms are available to me? So these are some of the top press release platforms. So first we have PR Newswire. So this is one of the most recognized press release platforms worldwide. So PR Newswire distributes to thousands of media outlets and journalists. It's a go-to choice for larger organizations and high-profile announcements. And then we have Business Newswire. So Business Wire offers a global coverage with targeting options by industry and region. Many major companies use it for financial or corporate news. And then we have PR Web. So this is popular with small businesses and startups that want online visibility. So releases are distributed to search engines, social media, and journalists. And then lastly, we have EIN Presswire, and this provides affordable options for smaller companies and niche industries. It distributes across online news sites, helping reach targeted audiences. So selecting the right press release isn't just about picking the biggest platform. It's about understanding who you want to reach, where your audience is, and what impact you want to create. So with a thoughtful approach, each release can become a meaningful part of your PR strategy, helping your news land in the right hands and create real results.